Introduction. Correctly prepared laboratory solutions are the foundation of quantitative and qualitative analysis. Poorly prepared solutions will affect the final result of an analysis. No matter how good an instrument is, if you prepare the solutions for analysis incorrectly, then the final results will be out of specification, or OOS. OOS results will result in extra work for you, the analyst. The steps that lead to successful solution preparation are organizing the work area and materials, choosing the correct materials, using materials of the required quality, correctly handling materials, accurately weighing materials, accurately transferring materials, performing dissolution and dilution correctly. Quality of materials, purity and form. Materials and solvents have different grades of purity, such as general use or analytical grade. The grade will determine what they can be used for. You must ensure that you are using the correct grade of material or solvent for the solution you are preparing. The use of the wrong grade will have serious implications for the results obtained from that solution. Another check is to see if the active component of the solid is in a salt or hydrated form, as this must be considered when calculating how much material to weigh out.